how to turn off autocorrect in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, the steps are going to be same. You have to open system settings option, which you can find in dock, or else you can go and click on Apple logo on the left hand side and select system settings. Once you open system settings option, on the left hand side there are multiple options. Scroll down and look for keyboard option, select that, and on the right hand side you get all the options which are available for keyboard, so you can make changes as per your requirement. Now to turn off autocorrect mode, you have to look for text input. In that you have to click on edit button, which is in front of input sources. Once you click on edit button, a window will appear on screen. In that again there are multiple options, but the second option says correct spelling automatically, which is basically for autocorrect. You have to turn off this toggle in order to turn off autocorrect. Once you turn it off, simply click on done, and that's it. The settings is applied. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow in order to turn off autocorrect in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.